Come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. What's going on, guys? Guys, we got another treat for you. Guess what we're doing? As you can see, we're going to do a wall accent. Yes, that's what we're going to do. It's going to be fun. It's going to be beautiful. Come along with me so we can make this accent wall with 3D wall panels, guys. Now the wall panels is 12 by 12 and you get 33 in the box, and I'll show you the box. And I purchased that from Temu. But the wall that we're building, the length is going to be 9 feet 1 inch, or the length is going to be 109, and the width is going to be 5 feet or 60 inches. So you guys already know that's going to be very, very tall. We're going to have some fun while we're doing it. So what I want to show you is I went to Dollar Tree and I bought 12 black poster boards. And I put them together, as you can see here. This is our main focus. This is what our 3D panels are going to sit on. And let me tell you something, guys. I have to show you these panels. They come in 2 different colors. I wanted white. They didn't have white. So I went with the black. The black is going to be so fabulous. And you guys got to come back because we're going to order the white ones. And there is a 3D panel right there, guys. And like I said, those are 12 by 12. I believe Amazon have them 20 by 20. You can check it out. Like I said, I bought those from Temu. But isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. And that's going to be up on the wall. So you already know what I'm going to do with it. That's the inside of it. Or the back side of it, we should say. Again, I ordered it from Temu. Yeah, so let's just put this thing on. Let's just finish it. I'm going to turn it over for you guys so you can see what I'm working with here. I started it. Once again, this is 9 feet here. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it over. And how I get it together, I did all tape. And I taped it all down with black tape. I tried clear, but the black tape holds it a little bit better, so that's where we went. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to zoom you guys in and show you how we started the panels. So this is one panel down, and I'm going to show you the 3M double-sided tape that we're using. I didn't want to use glue or anything else, so I had some 3M tape that I ordered from Amazon some time ago. But yeah, I put it down, and look at this, guys. Look how cool this is. It's down, it's sticking. I don't have to worry about it coming up. I love this. If you're going to do something like this, try to use the 3D double-sided tape. I'm going to get that tape right now so I can show you guys. But guys, that's it. We got to put all of them down here. So this is the 3M tape that I was telling you about. You can go on Amazon. Okay guys, so I brought you back because I stamped it up the long way with the width, and we're going to start just putting down our panels. Now what I did was I took some of the 3M tape and I put it down. I'm going to have to put a piece here and a piece here. So let's do that. I need to remove the tape from here though, the sticky back from here. So I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to pull this off here. If you can, guys, try to hang this up and do it while it's on the wall. I think that'll be better. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put one here, a piece of tape there. And then, as you can see, we already drew our line. That's where the next panel should fit. And I'm not going to take you guys through the whole thing. I'm just giving you guys a brief look at what we have to do to get it on the wall. So we're going to remove the tape now from here. Well, not remove the tape. We're going to remove this piece here. Just like this. Now, guys, you can do this with your glue gun if you want to. I just think the glue gun gonna have, some bulkiness, so that's why I'm not gonna do it with the glue gun. If you got the patience and the time to do it with the glue gun, and that's on you. But I'm gonna try to line them up just like this. And just like this, we got our panels on the move, which is a good thing. So you guys see where I'm going with this here? And this 3M tape holds this down just as perfectly. As you can see, it's not moving. It's not going to come down. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go halfway through, then I'm going to bring you back, and then I'm going to finish it off. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you where we at. We almost finished, and guess what? I have enough to finish 2 more rows, and I need 3 rows. So I have 7 panels, and I'm going to need 9 panels. So that's the deal. So in order for me to finish off this project, I'm going to need to buy a whole new box just for 2 panels. What do you guys think? So I'm going to try to figure out a way. I don't know. I'm just going to have to figure out a way. But guys, this is the way it's going to turn. Look at this. Look at this. This is so cool. And you guys are going to see me put it up on the wall. As of right now, it's on the floor. We found it easy working on the floor with it. Yeah. So you check it out and you tell me what your thoughts is. Okay guys, so we're back. We finished. Whew! We finished. It was a lot of work, but we did it, and we outdid ourselves. Look how gorgeous this thing is. Just look at this. This is so pretty. I still have to wipe it down with a little bit of alcohol to get the handprints off and stuff like that. But we didn't have enough for the part that goes under the table. This is going to go up under the table. I wasn't too concerned about that because that's going to be underneath the table, but this is what we were looking for right here. We use a total of 31 panels. Yeah, so look at it guys. I had to put some mirror contact paper. I purchased this from Amazon if anybody interested, but I think it came out gorgeous. Like I said, that part, the mirror part, is going to be under the table, and all you're going to see is the black panels here. Now, you can use this for backdrops. You can use this for props. You can use this for photos. Guys, this thing can go on and on and on, guys. Again, we purchased the panels at Temu. They were $54 for 33. So come on back, because we're going to put it on the wall, and we're really going to see how it looks on the wall. So come back. So look, we are finished. I want you to check this wall out. I even put a little outfit for you guys so y'all can see how fabulous it's going to look when you take your pictures. And if you want it to be a backdrop, it is what it is. And guys, this is the top. And in the video, you'll see how I put it on the wall. Well, you won't see how I put it on the wall. You'll see the back pieces that I connected to the back so it can hang on the wall. But guys, look, just look at this. Look at it. It's up there and it's fabulous. Just check it out. To make a correction, I said it was 31 panels that we used, or 32 panels that we used. We only used 30. So we have 3 left, and that's why we couldn't finish the top, because we needed 5 panels. Am I going to order some more of these panels? I believe so. I'm going to order them in white for my daughter's room. She wants a backdrop behind her bed. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a backdrop behind her bed as a headboard. There you go. That's it. Thank you. as a headboard. So guys, you're going to have to stay tuned with this. But guys, just check this out. And again, we didn't have enough to finish the bottom. So look what we did. Check it out. We put some mirrored contact paper down there, and it looks fabulous. I'm even thinking about putting mirrored contact on the top. That's what I'm thinking about doing. That way I won't have to worry about ordering the box just to finish off the top. I believe I'm going to get another set of foam board and just put the mirror on the top. So guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting. Guys, you have to give me a thumbs up for this one, and you have to subscribe, and you have to come back. Because as I said in my last video, we got something for you.